Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make this super yummy bruschetta pasta salad. This is a recipe of my own inspired by the Italian bruschetta, and generally it's eaten with toast, but I thought a fun twist would be to put pasta salad instead. And this is good for vegans and meat eaters alike. It went super fast at my recent work potluck. So the ingredients you're going to need for this bruschetta pasta salad are tomatoes, onions, garlic, basil, oregano, lemon, salt, pepper, and olive oil, and the pasta of your choice. So the first thing you're going to want to do is just dice up your tomato. I do like my tomato diced up a little smaller. Then you're going to take some onion. You can do either white onion, green onion, whatever kind of onion you have. I do prefer green onion though. Then you're going to take some garlic. Now my secret for garlic is you're going to want to crush it and take the skin off, and then start chopping it a little bit, and then put some salt on it, and it'll start to get kind of mushy and kind of make more of a paste when you go to chop it up the second time around. Then you're going to take your basil. I do like a pretty good helping of basil in mine, and you just want to chop this up. Then you're going to take lemon, and you're going to just want the juice from about half of a lemon. So in this mixture that I'm adding my lemon juice to, I also put a bit of dried oregano. Now I'm adding my olive oil. Then you just mix this up and let it sit for a little while and let all the flavors marinate. Then you're going to add a bay leaf to a pot of boiling water to get your pasta started. I think the bay leaf really gives a better flavor to the pasta. Once the pasta is done cooking, you're going to want to put it in a strainer, strain all the water off, and rinse it with cold water so it doesn't get sticky. Then you add some Better Than bouillon. I'm using a no chicken vegetarian Better Than bouillon. And then once you do that, you just want to combine the two ingredients, the bruschetta and the pasta, and it's really that simple. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you liked it, be sure to let me know in the comments. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.